Jeffrey Epstein is back in the news. The Justice Department has spent months reviewing evidence from the sex trafficking investigation into the wealthy financier to prepare materials for public release. One aspect of the evidence that the Attorney General Pam Bondi has cited is the existence of what she says are tens of thousands of recordings that she says show Epstein with children or child pornography. At AP, we've been very interested in those remarks and trying to understand what it was that the Attorney General was talking about. We reviewed hundreds of documents from the criminal case that did not identify any kind of reference to sexually suggestive recordings of Epstein with children. We also interviewed people who are law enforcement officials and lawyers in the criminal case, and they told us they had not seen and were not familiar with the existence of a stash of recordings like the ones that Pam Bondi might be referencing. We did find in a civil case a reference to the discovery of video recorded materials and photographs that the Epstein estate said might constitute child sex abuse material. But when we approached the Justice Department for clarity and help in understanding what the Attorney General said, they declined to answer any specific questions about how long these recordings, if they exist, have been known to be in the government's possession. And instead they said that the only people who really know about what's in the Epstein files are the people who are actually doing the work in the government themselves. It's worth noting that all of this scrutiny comes against the backdrop of an earlier Epstein document dump from February that Bondi hyped as delivering substantive and compelling new information, but that really fell flat and failed to satisfy conspiracy theorists and far-right influencers who have been hoping for months and years to find proof of a government cover-up in the Epstein case.